Okay, today we are doing tutorial 3. Okay, tutorial 3. Okay, we are doing tutorial 3, which means to say that here, okay, tutorial 3, we need to look at this practice, this worksheet. Okay, so if you look at this one, tutorial 3, live tutorial, lesson 34, lesson 34. Lesson 34, here, this one. Money, is that you, Money? Okay, nice to see you again, Money. Okay, we're doing this one, lesson 34, yeah? Lesson 34. Okay, lesson 34, you have the materials with you. Lesson 34, okay, is this one. And the tutorial is this one, the worksheet. Do you have it with you, everybody? Valerie, Ariano, and Mani, do you have it with you already?
Yes.
Okay, so as usual, we have to go through the theory first, okay, and then do the practice paper, do the materials, the worksheets. So let's go through the concepts, okay, the concepts. Okay, let's go through the concepts, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's resume. Okay, wait, just before I continue, yeah. So just to check, lesson 2, right? Some of you attended another slot. Am I right? Yes, right? Okay. So today is week number 3. Okay, so we're doing week 3, yeah. So no confusion about it. Okay, so this is lesson 34. Okay, and lesson 34 and this one. Okay, worksheet 3, tutorial 3. Yeah. So recap time. Okay, we studied solids, liquids, and gases. Okay, and the properties of solids, liquids, and gases. Okay, and from there we not either, and from here, by observing this particular form of matter, right, we discuss the shape, volume of that particular form of matter, and then from there conclude or tell if it's a solid, liquid, or gas. Do you still recall this? Okay, and let's look at the next part. Okay, and this is nothing new. So still the 3 states of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. Okay, so this one, 3 states of matter. Okay, again, I showed you a YouTube video, okay, to illustrate or to show you that liquids can be compressed. Sorry, liquids cannot be compressed, but gases can be compressed. All right. So, any questions so far? Any questions? Hello, hello. Any questions? No, yeah. So very good. How about Money and who are so not Money, Valerie and Ariano? Okay, anything?
No.
So far so good, yeah. Very good. Okay. So um also more examples, okay. I remember showing you a video, okay, that the teacher was like showing you that gases take up the shape of the container that it is in, and it has no definite um shape, no definite volume as well. Okay, so that's about it for this video, week 34, and some more of it. Okay, all these are how to answer the questions instead of reading. Okay, which doesn't mean that we are going to do the questions and then from there find out your areas for improvement. Yeah, so all of you have this worksheet with you ready at your side. You have it?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, very good. Okay, all of you have this at your side. Yeah, so let's try the questions already. Okay, so there are how many questions here? 1 to 14 questions. Okay, 1 to 14 questions, and How much time do we have? Today we have, okay, very good. We have 1 hour 20 minutes to answer all these questions. Yeah. So, oh dear. Shall we do the MCQs first? Then later on, we will do one open-ended questions, then go back to the MCQ. All right. So start doing the MCQ now. Okay. 3 minutes later, I'm going to discuss the answers.
Are we supposed to do all MCQs first?
Yeah, we finish all the MCQs first, or maybe we do 5 MCQs, then go to the open-ended questions. All right.
Is it A?
Okay,
Wait,
hold on
is it
first.
B?
Hold on first. Okay, how about Ariano and Valerie? Can you tell me your answer? Okay, maybe we not maybe definitely I need you to type out your answer in the chat. Okay, because there are 3 students here, so we have to I have to make sure that everybody tries lah. So can you type out your answer in the chat for question 1? Okay, it says A. Valerie says A, then Mani says it's D. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah. Ali had 3 different containers, R, S, and T. Yeah. He poured 200 cm³ of water into R, then transferred to S and T, which best shows what he will observe in the experiment. Okay. So there was somebody change something at that. Valerie says D. So what will he observe? Okay, let's slowly see. What will he observe? Okay. Okay, the volume of water will decrease, no. Increase, no. Same level, no. Okay, definitely it take the shape of the container that is in. Okay, because liquids have not have
Definite
liquids take the
volume.
shape of the container. Can you write down the side note? Everybody write down the side note. Ariano, you got this one wrong, so you got to write down the working. All right. So reason being, liquids, in this case here, water. Okay, for example, water take up the shape of the container. They are containers. Okay, or the container they are in. Okay, of the containers they are in. Okay, let me just adjust. Yeah. How do I adjust this? Give me a minute. Here. Can? Any questions, students? No, yeah. Can you do a mic test so that I can hear you? Because some of you, I'm just worried that you may be speaking, then I can't hear you. You got mic issue or what? So, Mani, can you say something? I test.
Hello.
Okay, good. How about Valerie?
Hello.
Okay, how about Ariano again? Ariano, say something.
Okay.
Okay, good. So everybody mic good. Okay, next. Hey, you all must write the what do you call this? The notes down. Has everybody written the notes down?
Yes.
Because every answer is supported by a concept, and some of you maybe guessed it correctly but don't know what's the underlying concept. So here I am writing all this for you guys. You have to write it down. Okay, next. Here, Table below shows properties of, okay, come try first before I tell you the answer, yeah? Okay, Valerie's give an answer already. How about the rest? Okay, Valerie put an answer C. How about Mani? And Ariano, your answer? Ariano, what's your, okay, you put C. Okay, all put C. Okay, so which statement is incorrect? Okay, so for this table here, it tells us the properties of, yes, Mani, you raised your hand. Okay, nothing.
Nothing.
So this table here shows us the properties of W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, and which statement is incorrect? Okay, so look at W. Occupy space, no definite volume, no definite shape. So what is the state of W? Can everybody tell me? What is the state of W? Solid, liquid, or gas? Mani,
Gas.
what is it's a gas? Very good. Okay, so everybody will take turns to answer, yeah? So W is a gas. And let me see, let me type it out here. It's a gas, okay? W is a gas. Then how about X? Okay, X is a form of matter, occupies space, definite volume, no definite shape. So what is this state? Valerie? What is the state of X? Valerie, what is the state of X?
W, X, Y, and Z are different state of matter.
Correct. Then how about X? Is it a liquid, solid, or gas? That's my question. Solid, liquid, or gas?
Liquid.
Very good. Write this down. Okay, how do you know it's a liquid? Which part tells you that it's a liquid?
I don't know.
Again?
I don't know.
Not so sure. Maybe Ariano can tell us, how do you know that X is a liquid? Ariano, are you here, Ariano? How do you know that X is a liquid? No response. Back to Vamani, how do you know that's a liquid? Okay, Valerie and everybody, it's a liquid because no definite shape. Okay, no definite shape, has definite volume. Okay, Ariano, tell us about why. Is it a form of matter, Ariano? Is Y a form of matter? Ariano, is Y a form of matter, Ariano? No response from Ariano. Where are you? Okay, Y is not a form of matter, not matter, because it doesn't have mass. No mass, no space, not matter. Okay, then how about Z? What is the state of Z? Valerie, try.